Let me ask you a question. What does cooking mean to you?
Is it basic survival? Is it daily routine? A means to an end? Or does it mean more to you? Maybe it's your escape, your creative outlet, or maybe it's a higher calling, a competition, a chance to make your mark.
But here's what I know.
Cooking is what makes us human. Long before we spoke in words, we cooked. It's elemental, primal, essential. It's you creating something with your own two hands, taking simple ingredients and turning them into something new. And it doesn't matter if you're in a tiny room without a view, on the world stage, in the professional kitchen, the food truck, the barbecue pit, or the campfire. What matters is what you decide to create, to cook with heart and soul. And let me tell you, it's work. Yeah, it's work. It's the secret to health, strength, and happiness. Right now, in your kitchen, something important is waiting to happen. Ingredients waiting for you to bring them to life. Flavors begging to be discovered. The kitchen is calling you.
Grab your ingredients, light that burner, pick up that knife, go cook.